Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings. Then tap on Notifications. Select App Settings and choose Most Recent. Then tap on the best option for you, like Most Frequent. Lastly, just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can turn them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!